Yo, hold on, yo. Hold on. I think Christmas then came a little early. Let me see what we got real quick. I know we get early sneakers, but I didn't know Christmas came early. Wait, hold on. What we got? Oh, yes, sir. 2025 then came real early. Hey, let's go ahead and talk about it. Oh, yes, sir, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. You guys already know what we have. And I told y'all for the last couple days, we got something coming early. And yeah, it looked like Christmas came early because these joints right here is crazy. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, what I need everybody to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy a favor, do your boy solid, and leave a huge like on today's video. You guys see we right in front of the Christmas tree, and we got some early gifts. So sub up, hit the like button. We're gonna jump right into this early look over these clean Black Metallic Reimagined 5s, man. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and read the official size label. You got Air Jordan 5 Retro OG, black, white, metallic, silver, and this is a size 12. I couldn't get my size. The plug did not have any size 9.5s or size 9. I would've got size 9 in these joints, but we were able to secure size 12. But you got your regular box, huge red Jumpman up top, and I thought they would've did something a little bit different. You know, we got a different box with the Reimagined 3s, Reimagined Royal 1s. I can go on and on about all the Reimagined we have gotten a different box, but this one, just a regular black Air Jordan 5 box. Let's go ahead and flip them open and check them out. And yes, sir, we have them. We have the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic, guys. Y'all can't tell me these things is not clean. Loving them. And the first thing I did see when I unboxed it myself was this clear translucent Nike Air hang tag. And I'm gonna grab the 2019 pair or 2018, I forget when they came out, or probably before that. I done had the Black Metallics for a minute now, and now we finally got a reimagined, you know, rendition to the sneaker. And something that I wanted to point out is inside the box, you got your black tissue paper and this little divider right here. I'm not too sure, never seen that before for a pair of 5s, but they did that for these Black Metallic guys. And it came with some extra laces, bro. Extra laces equipped in these, came with the white laces already in them joints, and these things are going crazy. I'm loving it. And the thing that I really love the most before I even grab the older pair that I released that I have in the collection is the white piping going all the way around the different panels of this Air Jordan 5. And now that I finally have a pair in hand, I did not even notice that we do got a 3M Nike Air on the back, or at least it looks 3M, I'm not too sure. And actually the piping might be 3M as well. I'm gonna put a picture up on screen to show you guys if it does have like a 3M hit, but this is like a real metallic look. If it's not 3M, get your metallic looking Nike Air on the back, super crazy. You guys know y'all some suckers for that, you know, Nike Air on the back, but the 3M on the tongue is going crazy as well, bro. So let me go ahead and take these little shoe trees out. They come with shoe trees, a shoe divider, all types of stuff, but I'm loving the white laces in these. I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely liking the white laces. You guys see, got your red Jumpman 3M tongue right here, and of course you got your translucent pacifier with the red lace lock right there. These joints is buttery, bro. And like I said, bro, in my video yesterday, we have so many sneakers releasing next year, and we are only in December, bro. We already touched some pairs, and people already talking about how much they love the Black Metallic Reimagined. And me, myself, bro, I am definitely in love with these joints. Only gripe I got, you guys know, I gotta have one complaint or two, just to, you know, critique the release a little bit, but I think that would have been dope if we got a different box, like a reimagined box. So we got with the Reimagined 3s, and we even got a different box for the Reimagined 4s, if I'm not mistaken. They should have kept the same way for these Black Metallic guys. But of course, you guys know, you got your Black Metallic silver on the shark teeth on the outer shoe, and of course, on the inner, and that translucent Cajun. Look at that translucent Cajun. This is what they look like when I first got my pair back in the day, but of course, over time and with age, they are going to yellow pretty bad. And real quick, before I even get any further, let's go ahead and grab the pair that released, I can't even remember right now. I don't know if it was 2016 or 2017, bro. I got so many shoes, been collecting shoes so long, I'd be forgetting years, but let me go ahead and grab them real quick. All right, man, you guys see we have the 20 2019 or the 2016, I think it was 2016. It had to be 2016 Black Metallic Air Jordan 5s. You guys can see what I'm talking about. That yellowing is crazy. So here goes the older pair, and here go the newer pair. I had to choose between the two, bruh. I know y'all gonna hate me and dag me in the comment section, but I am really loving that piping, that white piping or 3M, whatever it is. I like that a lot on these Black Metallic guys. I think the main reason why I am liking it because, you know, you got an all black sneaker, a little pop of red, a little pop of white, suits the sneaker so well, and it happens to have the white laces coming equipped in them and that piping around the panels. These joints is just crazy. And there's a quick little comparison between the Nike Airs on the back. Of course, on the 2016s, you have the Nike Air in the white stitching, and with the 2025 pair, you have this 3M metallic-y look to that Nike Air on the back. And it looks like the Nike, it's the same. It's about the same width or whatever, but it does have a little different effect when that light hits it because I think this is 3M. We're gonna see very, very soon post-editing when I do post a picture of me taking it with the flash on. But they definitely did get the sneaker spot on. It's no differences between the Nike Air in the back and of course the piping, but I think they did an outstanding job with bringing these back out. I think it's perfect timing for them to drop them again. And I already know it's gonna be a lot of OG sneakerheads doubling up on these guys. I put these things through minimal damage, and I done worn them a couple times, but I just think they held up perfectly. And with that Asian and with that, you know, yellow look on them, I am loving them even more. So definitely gotta pull these out before I pull out the 2025s. But I know for sure your boy The Vintage is going to double up on these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna be a problem, bro. You guys know, we kind of been talking about some of the releases, like are they gonna do well? Are they gonna sit? Are they gonna sell out and all that good stuff? Because it is, you know, cool to talk about it and just think about the upcoming release. But when it comes to these Black Metallic 5s, I'm telling you, bro, do not sleep. The resale might not be crazy, and I don't want y'all to, you know, assume because the resale is low, the pairs aren't gonna fly. The resale might be low coming up to the release date, but I think it's gonna be another one of those, you know, bred for reimagined type sneakers where the resale is low, but pairs start selling out slowly, and the next thing you know, you got to pay resale, getting your pair. You might have to pay a lot. You might not have to pay a lot, but just going out your way and going to trust somebody third party to get your sneaker when you can just have them day of release, bro. You can have them day of release, put your footwork in, put that, you know what I'm saying, effort towards copping them, you should be good. And yeah, bro, you guys see it, man. Early look at the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. This is a cool sneaker, bro. I'm loving them. I'm all over these joints. I cannot wait to get my size 9.5 in these guys. Gonna be putting these straight to the feet, but I got the 2016, so I might wear them a little bit more. I'm loving that yellow look to it. And then I might wear these like 2030 or something like that. So I don't know, man. It's just something cool when you have a lot of, you know, sneakers, a lot of varieties of the same sneaker. You can pick and choose what you want to do, but don't be irresponsible. You don't got to get like 3-4 pairs of them, but it'd be cool to add another pair of these in the collection. And for everybody I know that's gonna comment saying, you ain't said that about the Black Cement 3s, I just said I didn't need them because in 2018, we just got the Black Cement 3s. So why, you know, 3, 4, 5 years later, I'm gonna get another pair, even though my pair is still crispy. So it's a difference. It's a difference, you know what I'm saying? I got a little fight towards my argument on that. But look at this yellowing on these Black Metallic 5s, and look how crispy the 2025 Reimagined is. So hey, don't dag me in the comment section, man. But yeah, guys, one more 360 look at the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics releasing in 2025. I think it's like March or April, something like that, or it might even be February. I can't wait for the drop to happen. This is gonna be a double up for a lot of people, but let me know down below in the comment section how you're feeling about these. I think Jordan Brand killed it with these joints right here. It's a little bit longer than I expected for them to come back out, but with the whole reimagined lineup, I think they brought it out perfectly, but we could've got an extra box or something like that, Nike. Come on, y'all. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way. If you guys wanna see more early content, I need y'all to run the likes up. Let's get 500 likes on today's early look over the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. With all that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.